If your brows have thinned or disappeared after 50, this is the brow system I use now. It's fast, forgiving, and I don't draw my brows on anymore. Brows change over 50 for a lot of reasons. Over-tweezing, hormonal changes, and the natural growth cycle slows down. I use a pomade stamp to get the shape for my brows instantly. It's got a lot on there, so I like to tap off the excess before I start on my brow. Less product will give us more control. I'm going to use one of the stencils that comes in the kit, and this step is not about perfection, it's about placement. Now, before this sets up, I'm going to use the spoolie that comes in my kit, and anything that looks a little bit too harsh, I'm going to go ahead and blend. I'm going to do the other side without talking so you can see exactly how long it takes in real time to do this. And then if one's a little bit darker than the other, I just lighten it up with the spoolie. Easy peasy. That's the shape. It's that easy. Now I like to go in with a pen and add a few hair-like strokes just to break up the stamp. This kit comes in 3 shades, which is perfect for most people. And for most beginners, it's the easiest place to start. And if you're between shades or need something specific, I've linked another option below. This system is fast, forgiving, and it works on sparse brows. Thanks for watching.